Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Oralift Premium. So you should buy this device, facial lifting device or not. So in this video we will cover some positive points and we will also cover some negative points, okay? So let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about how much time it will take you give you results, okay? So the first thing I want to tell you, like, results is depend on person to person. Maybe you will get instant results, maybe you will not get instant results, because everyone facial condition is different, everyone, you can say, like, skin condition is different. So results it depends on person to person, okay? Now let's talk about this brand. Like this is a facial, you can say, like, lifting device, and you can say, like, this brand, or you can say, like, this product is used for improve your face shape, increase your cheeks fullness, and minimize your lines and wrinkles, and you can say, like, plumper your lips, okay? So does it really worth it? You should try it or not. So the first thing I want to tell you, like, the costing of the, you can say, like, product is, you can say, like, very high, okay? And you have to invest lots of money, and if you have lots of money then you can go with this brand, otherwise you can avoid, because the costing of this brand is like very high. You can see, like, they have like three types of options, like option 1, option 2 and option 3. If you want to get lots of benefits about buy this product, then you have to go with option 3, because option 3 will provide you lots of, you can say, like, personal trainings, and they will guide you each and every information, and they will provide you good results. But in option 3 you have to invest lots of money, and if you are going with option 2 you will only get like some, you can say, like, series of videos, and this kind of information you will get in option 1. So this is looking like a basic plan, but the basic plan costing is also very high. So there is a very big concern, like, the product is also available on Amazon.com. This is a positive point, but the reviews is available on Amazon.com, like 15% is negative reviews, you can say, like, consider number of reviews extremely critical and company lack of communication. So it means the company is not providing good kind of communication, and you should read all the, you can say, like, negative reviews, and all the negative reviews is, some of them are recently published and some of them are, you can say, like, very old, you can say, like, reviews. So you should read all the reviews before making any kind of purchase, and without using product we cannot say 100% you should buy or not. We just provide this kind of information, like, you should buy or not. So you can see there is a lack of reviews is also available on internet, so there is no such type of review available, so by which we can make a decision this is a good brand or not. But if we talk about, like, the brand is approx like 15 years old, and the brand is available on internet from last 19 years, you can say, not 15, sorry, 19 years. So this means the brand is 100% legit, but the only problem is, like, you can say, like, the costing. The cost of the product is very high. I really don't know what is the reason behind this thing. But if we talk about, like, the results also depends on person to person, and there is no guarantee about the results. So if you have any experience with this brand, please share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review, okay? So this is the information, and if you really want to try, then you can go with Amazon.com, because they are providing, you can say, like, 30 days returnable policy also. You can also get your money back within 30 days if you are not able to get any kind of benefits by this product. So you can make a purchase this product on Amazon.com. This is a very good option for you. You can make a purchase and you can get the benefits of this product, okay? So this is the information, my dear friends. Hopefully this video will helpful. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.